Hello everyone, this is Graphics Emporium channel on YouTube. I have today the new Nike Lunarepic Flyknit in red, black. That's inside the box. So let's take the outsole out. The style of the color of the Nike Lunarepic shoes appear very similar to the use of the Nike Mercurial Superfly. It comes in different color. I like more the color red and black and white. The near seamless one-piece construction in areas that require more elasticity and breathability, but also provide tight areas. The soft contoured Lunarlon midsole has prices curve laser cutouts on the side. Which are compressed with each steps, and so for soft transition for heel to toe. The special outsole design to strategic pressure distribution make a Lunarlon segment in a key area for damping. It's all laser cut. The lacing is accompanied with the Flywire, and so provides a dynamic supportive fit. Cutting in the heel provides a more structure. Wheel form midsole improved durability and does not require glue or hardener. The shoes can be worn with or without socks. If you prefer with socks, I recommend lighter socks, so not visible when you're wearing the shoes. The shoes are only intended for athletic. I recommend it. About different material thickness can be incorporated directly into the knitted fabric. Midsole, the designer used the innovation dual injection technology. Here are using heat, not glue. We are using heat. Merge two firm layers into one piece with laser cut plates on the side of the midsole, cushioning promoted and provided specially for flexibility. The bottom is made of Lunarlon foam. The island moved individually so that different zones react specificity on impulse. You have a second sole. This is thick than that, the original. I will wipe for you the shoes. It's 206. It's fantastic. These shoes are very light, really. So I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you have any question, write me back. Thank you for watching my video, and goodbye on the next on Kravis Import channel.